I'm gonna show you how to change your serpentine belt, which is right here. This is the part number I got. 5070750. This is from Advanced Auto. First thing you want to do is jack up your car. Put 4 stands underneath once you get it jacked up for safety. You're gonna pop off your tire, passenger side, front. Okay, 21mm lug nuts. Okay, once you have your tire off, you got a 10mm, 10mm, and straight underneath, right here, another 10mm. You want to take off that plastic cover to gain access to your belt. Okay, you got your 1, 2, 3 clips off, right? You're gonna pry this cover back right here. Pry this cover back. And you see right here, take a flat blade screwdriver for this clip right here. Push it in there and pry it off so you can drop this plastic cover right here. You take a 19mm shallow socket, that's the short socket. And if you look, here's your top of your belt right here. This right here is what allows you to release the pressure off the belt tensioner. So you get it from the top. Okay, you got the socket on the tensioner, and what you're going to want to do from the top is push it in a clockwise motion, which is down. See, when you do that, the belt moves up and down? Okay, so here we go. Release the pressure on the belt, grab it from the alternator, and work it off, just like that. Then you slowly release the tension on the tensioner, and that's it. Now what you're going to want to do is work your belt out all the way around from the bottom and pull it out from the bottom. In this video, in the end, I'll show you a diagram of the correct way the belt routes throughout the engine, around all the pulleys. Once you have the belt out, you're going to want to take the old one and the new one, put them side by side and measure them to make sure they're the exact same size. Because as you can see, they could fall out of this box in the store, and they could just put the wrong one in there. So verify that visually before you mess around and do anything else. What you're going to want to do is route it the same way on the diagram I'm going to post. Take your time here and get it from on the floor. You can do it on the floor, no problem. You're going to start in the bottom, push them all the way up to the top. After you properly routed your belt, this is what you're going to want to have right here. This is the last pulley you're going to pull on, the alternator. And you're going to want to have the belt pretty much close to that. Everything you should have very little slack. See? No way you can put that on without loosening the pressure off the belt tensioner. So once you have that, you're going to put your tension on the belt tensioner. I can't do this on camera. Grab that belt and slip it on over the alternator. Once you get the belt on, you're going to want to bump the key a couple times. Bump it and then come check the belt. Bump it and check the belt. And the belt looks like it's tracking the way it should between the pulleys like that. Start it up, and that's it. Put everything back together again, and you're done. When you're tightening down these plastic inner fenders, you don't need to go Magilla Gorilla strength on here. All they're holding up is a piece of plastic. That's why they're 10mm, because you ain't gonna be He-Man in it. Just go like that. That's it. 1, 2. The one in the back is a clip. You just pop that one back in the hole. Hit this 10mm one right here on the bottom, wherever my finger is. That's it. Put your tires back on. You torque down the lug nuts to 75, 76 foot-pounds. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share, spread the word, all right? Take care, fellas. If you have any other questions on any other car, you can leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you, always. All right, take care.